I'm Chef Rebecca, Culinary Supervisor for Minneapolis Public Schools Culinary and Wellness Services. Today, I will be showing you how to reheat the pepperoni pizza that came in your box. You might remember that from week 1. This one does have pepperoni, and I do want to make a note that during this time we are not serving pork at all. So the pepperoni is actually turkey. Before we get cooking, I am going to wash my hands. Make sure you're using warm water. Soap and scrubbing for about 20 seconds, which is about the length of your favorite sport highlight reel. And use a single-use paper towel to dry off. We are going to be putting this in the oven right in the box. We'll be baking it on a baking sheet. The oven has been preheated to 325, and we'll bake it for 12 to 16 minutes, depending on your oven and how toasty you like your cheese, whether you like it just white and melted or a little brown and caramelized. Once your pizza comes out of the oven, you're going to want to let it sit a minute just so that steam settles and you don't burn yourself. Once it has settled, you can peel back the top and enjoy the pizza right out of the box. But don't forget to enjoy it with your mixed vegetable blend, some apples, and a juice box. We hope you enjoy. Thank you.